Hey kids, hey guys, I'm gonna tell you something about the It movie. It's a little bit scary though. You know Billy made Georgie's boat, right? Yeah, a long time ago, like by 2017. Well, I want to show you guys. It's Who is it? Pennywise or Georgie's boat? Tell me. Close, but good. It's Georgie's boat. See that? That's what happens like that, and it's like scared face with teeth. Anyways, please put like on button and subscribe and ring the bell. So guys, everybody, good night. Bye.